Are you struggling to simplify your Java stream code? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to rewrite your algorithms with less effort, specifically focusing on using the and-then method. I totally get it. Learning about streams in Java 8 can be a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to combine multiple operations into a single line. It's a common challenge for many developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing. A user asked if it's possible to rewrite 3 statements into a single line using the and-then method. They provided examples of doubling and squaring numbers using streams. Let's explore this together. To understand the issue, let's break down the user's approach. They created 2 functions, one to double a number and another to square it. Then they combined these using and-then, but they encountered a compiler error when trying to simplify it further. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to simplify your code, but also gain insights into best practices for using Java streams effectively. To rewrite the algorithm in a single line, the user can utilize method references and lambda expressions effectively. First, we will combine the 2 functions into one using a lambda expression. This approach allows the user to first double each number and then square the result, all in one streamlined operation. The key is to chain the map operations. Alternatively, if the user wants to keep it concise, they can define a single function that performs both operations. This can be done using a custom function. It's important to note that the user cannot directly use the and-then method in the way they attempted. Instead, they should focus on chaining or creating a combined function. In summary, the user can achieve the desired functionality by either chaining map operations or defining a custom function that encapsulates both behaviors. Fun fact, did you know that Java streams were introduced in Java 8 to help developers write cleaner and more efficient code? It's a game changer. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. A user suggests that to combine functions in Java streams, you need to explicitly cast the lambda expression to a specific functional type. They provide a code example that uses int unary operator to apply both doubling and squaring in one line. However, the user mentions a preference for using 2 separate map calls instead of this combined approach, indicating they find it clearer. Let's move forward and look at another answer. This user suggests a simpler approach to combining functions in Java streams. Instead of using the and-then method, they recommend using the map function twice. This method is more readable and compact. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. In this alternative approach, the user explains that to create an inline lambda of a specific type, you can cast the lambda expression to the desired functional type. This is necessary because lambdas in Java need a target type to compile correctly. The user also clarifies that lambdas must match a single abstract method type, or SAM type. This is why the original attempt to chain methods directly in the map function resulted in a compiler error. To summarize, casting the lambda expression informs the compiler of its target type in advance, allowing for method chaining like and-then to work correctly. Here's a pro tip. Always aim for readability in your code. While it's tempting to condense everything into one line, clarity is key for maintainability. And there you have it. You've learned how to simplify your Java stream code while maintaining clarity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.